Yes. There it is. Exit. Exit. Clear that. Well. Gabby's kind of cold. I set up a bunch of stuff. Look at this. Look at this. Software on 4 GPUs across 3. So here's my desktop. I'm encoding the stream and on my browser, and then here it's decoding the incoming the streaming server, and then encoding 2 versions, one for Twitch and one for YouTube, sending those off. Interpolation. So I'm running 2 AI video interpolations in 1080p on this graphics card, the 3060, and then 4K on the 1080 Ti, and all 3 of them are encoding on this one graphics card encoder. So I'm using 4 graphics cards. Okay, so this is my stream. 4 graphics cards, that's right. It's me. Okay. There we go. Okay, to-do list. Wow, look at that to-do. What type of coffee are you drinking? Some kind of Tim Hortons. How much did this cost? You know, it's a hobby. God, I don't know. This must be like. Oh. This is, I don't know, man. This has got to be like $9,000 worth of computer equipment. Mechnor, subscribed. It's certainly a hobby. Never ask a man how much his computer costs. Whatever I'm looking at makes me want to end up processing data across 3 different computers. So the top, it's encoding the stream and sending it to this computer, and this computer is decoding the stream and then encoding 2 versions, one for Twitch and one for YouTube. And the YouTube one doesn't work very well. It keeps freezing, but whatever. And then this one, AI interpolation, so it makes video look smoother. Do I even have something I could show you? Yeah, I can show. Yeah. Well, okay, so we'll go here, and then yeah, no, it's not 120 FPS. You would be able to see an effect in 120 FPS because oh, it's not done. Anyways, maybe you noticed that it was unnaturally smooth. But oh, Twitch is doing that again. No, oh no, it's not. Okay, it's not. Why does YouTube do that? No. Okay. Do you prefer Chrome or Firefox? A browser that works. I use both at the moment. I gotta Yeah. Boy. HUD. Was I gonna do something with the HUD? What are my notes? Wow. Okay. I think I wasn't gonna do anything. Oh my god. I gotta focus on bots. I can't like start doing something else. Go away. Nah. I think it should not be included in bots, and bots should be done somewhere else. Do I have the bot? Where's the bot code? It's in eyes, bro. Playing the game is so much fun. You are gonna make the coolest AI ever. I actually software. I'm only running it. So this one, uh, yeah. So you know the TV show Severance? It's in 24 frames per second to 60 frames per second. So it'll look all smooth and like, ooh, I'm smooth. 60 frames per second. Ooh, 60 frames per second. Yeah. I'm kind of a smoothness nut person. I'm a little bit crazy about it. So I run all sorts of software. Okay, I got it. Okay, bots. Okay, we have bot playback control. Huh. So, okay. Let's open up the record again. Record. Why does YouTube buffer like that? It's so annoying. Okay, it's down here. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so it starts right here. It's like, wow, start recording timelines. Haha, wow. And then it goes, run, finish, stop recording, delete the handle, recording handle, and then now the recording is right here, and it does handle valid time. Okay, and that function's right here. So the recording's right here. It goes, if the map is still the same map, and the time is better than, okay, better than the existing bot's time. This is how I'm checking this right now. Then it creates a new bot. It uploads it regardless, fortunately. So annoying. Okay, what was I gonna do with the time teleported? You're not allowed to change your clock while you're running the game. That would be against the rules. Is it just a whole separate system? I don't actually know. Okay. So, hey, that's not a bad parallel. I could make a script called bot playback wiring, and that sets up all the it's just like this, cause like okay, so it has timelines, but like there's only one more move to make. There's none of this. It's just okay. So what happens is the client goes, "Hi, I want." No, the server says, hey client, guess what? You're gonna play back this bot. I guess I'll make a playback control. And you, the server, control information for how I want to play back this bot. So that the server initiates, can I please load this bot? And the server will say, yes, you will load this bot. Or like, you haven't paid the blood tithe. New style bot. So it creates a bot. New style bot. Right. So I was doing this, and that was like, it really matters if I want to make it good, I guess. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna make the bots loop. Before it was a cute little timer event, like set the time back to the start of the simulation. Oh, you can't see that. It just does set time, simulation start, and then it goes back. That worked nice. Hello, WaveQL. Root. Oh no. So all of this dead and wrong. Oh my god. This is like yeah, downloading stuff. What? No, watch those handles. Bot playback stream. What the hell? What the hell, boy? Unfortunately. So I think I make a bot. Bot. Why? Yeah, okay, but like how does the data get there? Do I make a bot here? I could just say this has the data. Bots is new style bot. I probably so this system does it. It's just doing its own thing. It's just like, do I want this? I could just delete this whole thing and start from scratch. Actually, I should probably do that. Because, yeah, no, it's just a client. It's just, it doesn't need, I mean, it it really only needs an ID, and it's like, hey client, make. Wow. It doesn't. We don't need this. Bot manager. Okay. So new style bot kind of that kind of still makes sense, but shit. It's kind of useless. Oh, I'd have to restart the thing. Maybe I should just edit the config right now. Is there any terminals where I was doing that? Yeah, I gotta sneeze. Anytime we're not together. Okay, let's do. There it is. So I have to. There it is. Conf. Oh, actually, I shouldn't have this on here. Okay. Do. Bing. All right, there's the bitrate. There we got 8. Let's change that to 60,000 bitrate and see if YouTube likes that better. Oh. What? Oh. Okay. All right, let's see what YouTube thinks about. Next time I have to restart the thing. Okay, so oof. World record. So I'm returning. Okay, this says true. Should that logic even be in here? Separate. I don't know. Okay, what is true? Save bot. I think I'm underestimating here. God, I hate YouTube. This was firing. Game though. Like this, it's not the same. So hot, man. Me and you. Ooh. Oh my god. It's time to vacuum. So all I need is two things? No. I just say whatever, and I just make clones of the timeline on the server that tracks what has been like directly compare on the server, and not care at all. How should this be created? Save bot. Upload the recording. Some sort of, what's this? Oh dear. Oh dear. I see. This is false. False. But it's also the API. No, this should just be the API, and I should have a separate thing for the file. Like, yeah. Okay, so what bot file? Doesn't even matter. This recording. Wow, amazing. Wow. What? So I'm just gonna like write a bunch of functions. So priming is at the start of the file that contains sparse the complete history. It's like history except all time. What? Okay. Whatever. All right, what exists? We got to go to playback context. Right here. So sound does not matter. World camera. Camera doesn't matter that much. Important. But it's like the run events are at the start and the end. It's basically just. I might actually want to filter run events by world events, gravity, and run events into the, which is a block of data at the start of the file that is then distributed throughout the timelines, but it's loaded first so that the bot playback can like reproduce the state properly, because like when you jump ahead the non-sparse timelines, the like dense timelines that have frame data every frame, like the input and the output, if the bot is an hour long and you jump from like 10 minutes in to play every single jump sound that happens in 40 minutes. You don't need to do that. Like that, obviously. But world events, which are the world state, needs to be updated to match that time. And it's 40 billion buttons. In 40 minutes, you're probably going to press 0 buttons. Maybe there's a map that you have to do 5 different doors and like go through a door 50 minutes later, whatever. If you skip over the button press to open, you see them clip through the door. You're going like, oh, why did they clip through the door? So I need to have this construct the world state, regardless if you're sort of real-time playback data and jumping ahead. It will play the full timeline data in series whenever you jump across data. Playing backwards. It's kind of bad. I was thinking, oh yeah, dude, I could support playing backwards. The world events would just regenerate every single frame, which like literally would not be that bad. And the gravity hang off. The run events would have to regenerate every frame, which is like 2 events. So would spam the garbage collection. Actually, that would work. And then I could play the sound events backwards. I wonder what the jump sounds like played backwards. Actually, that would be kind of hard. Like, if you actually like reversed the clip, it would sound normal. I would have to like look. You know, I'm not. It's not happening. Well, what is? Oh! The recording is the timelines. It's just timelines. It's. Should I just like write in serial?
No.
Yeah, no, I don't really need. I can just like smash it all together. I guess. Um, that's kind of wasteful. There should be not that many events. I don't care. Okay. It's timelines. Recording is a timeline group. I'm working on the file. Why am I working on the file? I don't need this right now. Cringe. All right, so we got world, gravity, doesn't freaking matter. Camera, doesn't freaking matter. Run. Who put this song here? I could just treat the camera as a real-time thing, because the only thing that would happen is oh no, the camera punch isn't synchronized. Oh, I'm gonna die. So basically the camera events only happen when you smash into a wall, you hit a wormhole, and that's basically it. I guess it's fine to put on here, because, like, woo! 2 data points. Oh my gosh. Alright, we created a tracker class. What does it... It should It should default to 1, right? Tracker, the default index is 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then we go like do I have a byte writer? Bitstream. Bit. We're gonna not do that this time. We're gonna write bytes. Server storage. Is there a byte writer? There is a byte writer. Why is it called bit writer? Okay. Okay. Rem. Rem. Remaining. Remainder. Okay. Alright, so basically it just wraps the bit writer and writes